Now we're finally ready to start working with the fur. I've got my interfacing pattern pieces all set. I'd like to start with the head because you want your best pieces of fur to be used for the head and the body, in my opinion. So I'm going to gather the head side pieces together and the gusset, and we're going to put the rest of the pattern pieces aside. I've got my piece of plastic out so that I can protect my work surface when I'm using my glue stick. And now we're going to see where I want to place this first side head piece. I want to avoid this area here where it turns a little. I think we're good there. And I'm taking a look, double checking, make sure we don't have any holes. Even though I did go through and checked for holes, it doesn't hurt to double check. And I want to check this side, and the fur looks good. So I'm going to put I'm going to use my glue stick on the back of this. I like the purple glue stick because it shows me where I applied the glue. Of course, it does fade to clear, so sometimes the purple goes away even though the glue is there. And there is a little seam right here, and I just don't want it I don't want this seam right near one of my seams on my bear, but it's not because I'll be cutting this away. It's probably a little heavy on the glue. And now as I'm trying to determine where I want to put this piece, because this is the head gusset, which is the top of the bear's head, I want a nice clean piece, and right here looks pretty good. I'm going to take a look at the fur side. Looks excellent. Now with the gusset, although I have the arrow pointing towards the nose in this case, you can have it with the fur going towards the nose, or you could have it going the other way. I kind of like the way the bear looks with the fur going towards the nose. It makes it look a little bit more like a puppy dog. All right, so now I have those 3 pieces put on. I like to cut these pieces out as I go, so I pair them up as to the pieces that are going to be stitched together. I cut them out and I clip them together right away.